Sucking on a chili dog. 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 Chili dog. Sucking on chili dog. Sucking on a dog. Sucking on a chili dog. Sucking on chili. Sucking on a dog. Sucking on a chili dog. Sucking on chili dog.
Welcome back! In this video, we're going to cover our trip to the 2022 Shootout. This will be the first time running Snoopy on a track with this setup, so we're anxious to see how he performs. But first, we've got to load up the trailer and head over to Norwalk, Ohio to Summit Motorsports Park.
We made it there and got all set up and unloaded. But before we start racing, we need to get some mini bike riding in.
This is the sweetest thing, riding on the back of Big Brother's bike. On the back tire's not happy. Oh, is it?
All right, Alex versus Cooper in a drag race. Cooper's out ahead. Alex is catching. Alex is catching. And Alex crossed the line first.
Still going. Man like that never stops. Oh, he stopped.
After we pass tech, we line up for our first test and tune pass.
What's up, bud?
Should I test my two-step?
What?
Should I test my two-step?
Yeah, Coop's ready.
First?
Coop's ready.
I know, right?
We're starting off easy on this first one. Wastegate pressure of 9 psi and a launch RPM at 4,300 to shake off Coop's drag racing cobwebs.
They're just amazing. And the cool thing about it is you can sneak up on some SUVs and they're out of the box running like low 12s, high 11s. It's just ridiculous. Take the kids
All right,
to
14.3 at 105. Wastegate pressure.
Yeah, we went a little
That's
crazy
good.
with
That's
ours.
great.
Since it was my first pass in about 5 years, I dumped the clutch too hard and bogged down pretty hard on launch, which resulted in a 2.5 60 foot. The ET is whatever, but this mile per hour is promising. We'll turn it up for the next one. With the first pass out of the way, we can look over the data, adjust the tune, and line up for another pass.
All right, Coop's up next. We're running more boost, more launch. Should do better now.
1243, 100.
We've raised the boost to 15 psi and the launch to 5,500 RPM.
Brennan Evans, quick. Those of you trying to qualify in quick. We'll take you to 1 and 2.
You got this,
quick.
Coop.
We will take you to 1 and 2 at this time. If you're looking to qualify in quick. That's what it says, kids. Quick. We need you to 1 and 2 at this time. Please and thank you.
Yeah, there you go. Hit it. Grab 4.
And Volk.
12:56 at 1:15. It's a new personal best for Coop. That's great.
We're thrilled with this pass. Drug the clutch a little bit, but this 1.9 60 foot is really great for the all seasons and the 5 psi two-step. Again, this mile per hour is great. This was a new personal best for me, and according to MitsuTimes.com, we have the fastest 25G powered 4G63. Woo!
first day came to an end, and we set out to hit another pass as soon as Test and Tune opened the next day. So we make our way to the staging lanes for our third pass. With this third pass, we turned the boost up to 20 psi and kept the launch where it was at 5,500. On the street, we've held 30 psi with no issues on this build, but the track is different, so we're working our way up to the higher boost.
Eagle, New Haven, Indiana. 96 Eagle. The Evo on the summit site.
Not sure what that was.
Not sure what that was.
So a lot happened here, and we're still going over the data. There was definitely lots of wheel spin, maybe some clutch slippage, and with the new clunking coming from the CV shaft and gear oil all over the bottom of the car, we definitely broke something. So we'll limp back to the pit area and give Snoopy a rest for the night. Then we'll enjoy hanging out and looking at other cars and watching some more racing.
That night, we broke out the measuring tapes and flashlights and got ready to do our annual Bowser Racing 10-step foot race. The goal is simple: see who can go the farthest in 10 steps. It's a ton of fun, and the winners even get a trophy.
9!
Oh, man. Come on!
Wow!
Visualize it! Come on! Visualize it! Come on! Thank you, everybody, for participating. I can't see anybody because of the lights.
That's okay. That's okay. It's just called being famous.
Okay. So the female winner this year was
Lexi with 42 feet and 2 inches.
Woo! You got that?
Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh my God! It's professional.
That's awesome.
Are you kidding me?
All right.
How? That was like engraved.
All right, and with a distance of 61 feet
Oh my
and
God.
7 inches,
Oh my God.
we present this to Chris.
There he is! Let's see it! Oh my God! Get out of here!
Thank you, everybody. Way to go.
Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you for coming out. See you.
As you can see, it's way more fun than it should be. And every year, more and more people join in on the fun. The next morning, we decided not to run Snoopy anymore and loaded him on the trailer to go home.
All right.
Snoopy's loaded.
Snoopy's loaded.
Oh, hi, Alex.
We're a little bummed, but the day got way better when we ran into one of our YouTube heroes, Jeffro.
Can we drop the That wind just got violent.
And it's been a long time since I climbed in and out of an eclipse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feel good?
It did. Yeah.
Yeah.
Except for I put a helmet on and I'm touching the ceiling and compressing my spine.
Yeah.
I gotta figure something out.
All right. Well, thanks again, Jaffro.
Thanks, man.
Subscribe to Jaffro Mobile.
We had a great time and learned a lot about what we need to do next with the build. To finish out, here are some of the passes from our friends from Club Diamond Star, our local Mitsubishi car club, and the reason the shootout is so much fun.
Jesse Everett out of Toledo in the 98.
116 for Jesse at 114.
121 for Jake Moore. Camaro watches Jake disappear into the distance.
1295.
5112, the Camaro. 1310, 118 gets their berth for the 1321 and 104.
No passenger mirror.
Don't stand up.
Way better launch, Chris.
9-3 at 146.
Jesse versus Dave.
Pair of second gen DSMs coming up to the line here.
Come on, Jesse, don't. $13.7 at 103 out of Dave.
1375, 103, 1241,
1240 for Jesse.
We'll dig into what broke in Snoopy in another video, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.